Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Princess Alexa from Barbie in the Secret Door in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can put on this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the toggle, you can select back and remove all the flowers. And then for this tiara, you need this tiara from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another crown. And for the base, you can color it like this, and for the diamonds, color it like this. And then you're going to do little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. Alright, and the next one, I'm going to move to the changing room, and I'm going to go to this menu and put on this skirt, and then we're going to remove the layer, and you're going to make it this pink color. Okay, this is for the color code guys, and then I'm going to make it glitter. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to put on this top. Okay, and then for the color, I'm going to make it the same pink color. This one for the first selection, and for the second selection, make it this yellow color. This is for the color code for the gold. And then the third selection, I'm going to make it pink. And for the last selection, make it pink. And then you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, and done. And I'm going to go to this area and then put on this heels, this one, and I'm going to make it pink. Okay, the same pink color I have applied before. Okay, done. And I'm going to move to the world culture clothing area, and then we're going to put on this dress, but we can choose only skirt and make it pink, just the same pink color. Okay, and then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to combine it with this skirt. For this skirt, I'm going to make it pink. Okay, the same pink color. And then we're going to change the material to glitter. And sorry guys, I forgot one item from the changing room, so I'm going to go back to the changing room. Okay, from here, I'm going to combine it with this skirt from the Withered Rose set, and I'm going to choose only skirt, no layer. And for the color, I'm going to make it this pink color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then we're going to make it glitter. Alright, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Princess Alexa from Barbie and the Secret Door. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!